Alright, what is up guys, Brandon back with another video, and today is another bike video, as you see right there. So first we're going to take the ears out of the tire, and I still have this nail thing, so that's what I'm going to be using, because it works really good. And then I don't know if I'm going to wash my bike today, probably not, because I did yesterday. Dude, it goes so fast. So we're going now. Yeah, my tires making noises. Alright. So, took all the ears out of that one. I'm gonna put this right here. So it won't really fall off. Alright, now we're gonna do the other one. Oh shoot. Make sure this doesn't go through. Oh yeah, it makes a noise. It's making a noise. Alright. So then we'll start. We're done. Put both of those in there, because that's actually a good place. Sorry guys, I did not know my phone even fell. Maybe because of the wind or something, I don't know. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to put your pegs on. I might have already done this in my last video, but no, I washed them out in my last video. So you're going to put it on from this side, not the other side that goes like straight in. So for this one, all you're going to want to do is put it on. Wrong way, sorry. Put it on, make sure it's in, and then twist. I don't know which way you're gonna want, okay. And putting pegs on is actually really hard. Just because, like, it's really hard to, like, get the pegs on. And if it doesn't go on, then just put it on a different thing and then try. Yeah. So if it doesn't go on, put it on a different thing and then twist it. And then it goes on. And then tighten it hard, because like if you go for a grind or anything, it'll slide off. And then you can get hurt. So keep twisting until it's really tight. And then grab your next one. And then make sure it's the right size. Then put it on. So, twist it on. Dude, my dang camera keeps falling. I'm gonna have to put my camera like over here. Because it keeps falling. Okay. I'm gonna put my camera right here, because it keeps falling out, So, then we're going to grab the other pegs. Then you're going to want to spin it the same way you did with that one. So, keep going. Go inside so the dog can shut up. So put this one right here. And then twist it this way. Alright, then make sure it's like really tight. Make sure all of them are tight. So after you make sure they're all tight, then you're going to want to check your brakes. And to do that, well, I'm going to show you how to take your brake off. So I'm going to have to flip my bike. Remember, the tires are flat, so I'll put it in right there. Alright. Sorry guys, my dog was just barking. So then, to take it off, you're either going to want to squeeze both of them together or squeeze a little and then just pull that. That's kind of what I do. I just pull it so then it'll come out just like that. So now you took your brake off. Put the camera. So that's off and that one's off too. So then, like, this is really good. Like, if you're riding and then your brake like pops off. So then to put it back on, you're either going to push two together or push it together a little bit, then grab this and then squeeze it. And then once you get it on, and then you're going to listen for a snap. Like, I'm going to put this, you guys, close to hear the snap. That's something cool. Dude, I can't do this when, like, the camera's in my hand. So I'm going to put you guys back down and try snapping it in. Dude, the wind is blowing already. It's like 20 degrees. It's like 20 degrees. It's like 90 degrees outside and the wind's blowing. Like, what is that? So then if it doesn't go in, you're going to want to go to the front and check the front to make sure this is snapped on. And then come back to the back. And then you're going to want to redo it. Well, you're just going to want to, like, do that. Pop it off real quick. And then wiggle it a little to make sure it, like, goes in. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I got it in. Brake is all good. Now we're going to flip the bike back over. And remember, when you're trying to, like, flip your bike over or anything, all you're going to want to do is come back, then go behind and flip it. That's down. So then we're going to put the air back in the tires. Yeah, why not do that? You guys can't see the back tire. Maybe I need to do this. Okay. Yeah, now you can see. Alright. So, we're going to have to get the air pump. Alright. So, I got my air pump. It was sitting over there next to the water hose from yesterday because I washed my bike yesterday. If you didn't check that, if you didn't see that video, then definitely make sure to go check it out. We're gonna do the back first. So make sure when you're doing this, unlock, take out, and then do that. So make sure you don't get this all the way in the tire. You probably can't see, but you know what I'm talking about if you see the recent videos. And then just start pumping it up. And remember, use a hand pump, not an electric pump, because you get so much more out of it. Like I was telling you guys all the time, you get so much more out of it. So, alright, so we're going to keep pumping. And remember, when you put your pegs on, it makes the bike heavier. Just giving you guys that advice. it's really sunny out too. We might do a riding video next video, or it'll be a critical ops video, because you guys love my critical ops videos. So, alright, this takes a long time, dude. Apparently. Alright, I'm gonna look this. Alright, now I'm good. So remember to pop it off and then take it off quick. And then you're gonna want to get your cap, your valve cap, and then just twist it back on. Really easy. And then come over here. Make sure your thing's not all the way on the tire. Take it out. Put this on. Make sure it's on all the way. And I might show you how to take like your seat off in the next video, because it's really easy. Like if you have one of these BMX bikes, then you don't just like unlock it and then like take it, put it up, or take it out. You have to like actually use like a screwdriver or a tool. So maybe I'll find the right screwdriver that fits it, and then I'll do it. I'm pretty sure there is a way to take your front brake off. I just don't know how. So it's also really good having a bike pump mount. So like if your tire ever goes flat, like on the go, you can just pump it back up, which is actually really cool. So we're gonna keep going. And remember, use a hand pump. You get so much more out of it. And I will show you my hand pump in a second. What kind I have, if anybody was wondering. Because my pump is actually really good. Dude, this one is not going as fast. 1, 2, 3, 4 halves. Alright, that's good. Unlock it, take it off quick. And then grab your valve cap. And then just stick it on there. And then you're gonna wanna put your bike pump up backwards. I might film some bike videos tonight, or I'll make one like right after this. So yeah, once that's on, then that's going to be it for this video. And I will see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.